Stop cropping your videos just to remove hard-coded subtitles. There's a smarter way. AI can remove them in seconds. Now, I won't waste your time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the download link in the description below. Step 2. Remove subtitles. Once you open Edimakor, select Watermark Remove. If you don't find it here, you can also find it under Toolbox. When you click it, a new window will appear, which allows you to upload your video or photo. Quick reminder, for videos, the maximum duration is 1 hour, and you can only upload up to 10 videos at once. Next, import your video and choose Remove Subtitles. Then adjust the selection box so it completely covers the subtitle area in the frame. Once everything is set, click Remove and allow the software to process the video. In just a few seconds, the subtitles are completely gone, and the background is automatically filled using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.